How to use AI to improve your marketing strategy. In today's digital age, marketing strategies have evolved drastically. From traditional advertising to digital marketing, businesses are continuously looking for new ways to reach out to their target audience. One such way is by using artificial intelligence, AI. AI has revolutionized the marketing industry, making it easier for businesses to personalize their marketing efforts and target the right audience. In this article, we will explore how to use AI to improve your marketing strategy. Understanding AI. Before we dive into how AI can improve your marketing strategy, let's first understand what AI is. AI is a technology that enables machines to simulate human intelligence and decision-making processes. AI is powered by algorithms that are designed to analyze vast amounts of data, learn from it, and make predictions and decisions based on that data. Benefits of using AI in marketing. Using AI in marketing can offer several benefits for businesses, including personalization. AI can analyze customer data and create personalized marketing campaigns based on their interests, preferences, and behaviors. Increased efficiency. AI can automate tasks such as lead generation, email marketing, and social media management, saving businesses time and resources. Improved customer experience. AI-powered chatbots can provide instant customer service, making it easier for businesses to respond to customer inquiries and resolve issues quickly. Better targeting. AI can analyze customer data to identify the target audience and create highly targeted marketing campaigns. How to use AI to improve your marketing strategy. Now that we understand the benefits of using AI in marketing, let's explore how to use AI to improve your marketing strategy. 1. Collect and analyze customer data. The first step in using AI to improve your marketing strategy is to collect and analyze customer data. AI can analyze customer data from various sources, including social media, email, and website analytics. By analyzing this data, businesses can gain insights into their customers' behavior, preferences, and interests. These insights can then be used to create personalized marketing campaigns that resonate with their target audience. 2. Create personalized content. Once you have collected and analyzed customer data, you can use AI to create personalized content. AI can analyze customer data to understand their interests, preferences, and behavior, enabling businesses to create content that resonates with their target audience. For example, AI can be used to create personalized product recommendations, email marketing campaigns, and social media content. 3. Use AI-powered chatbots. AI-powered chatbots can provide instant customer service, making it easier for businesses to respond to customer inquiries and resolve issues quickly. Chatbots can be used to answer frequently asked questions, provide product recommendations, and assist customers with their purchases. 4. Automate marketing tasks. AI can automate tasks such as lead generation, email marketing, and social media management, saving businesses time and resources. For example, AI can be used to analyze customer data and create highly targeted marketing campaigns, eliminating the need for manual segmentation. 5. Predictive analytics. Predictive analytics is a form of AI that can be used to analyze customer data and predict future behavior. This can help businesses to anticipate customer needs, identify potential issues, and create highly targeted marketing campaigns. For example, predictive analytics can be used to identify customers who are likely to churn and create targeted retention campaigns. 6. Use AI for SEO. AI can be used to improve search engine optimization, SEO, by analyzing customer data, identifying keywords, and creating highly targeted content. AI-powered SEO tools can analyze website traffic, keyword rankings, and backlinks, providing businesses with insights into their website's performance. FAQs. 1. How does AI improve marketing? AI improves marketing by enabling businesses to collect and analyze customer data, create personalized marketing campaigns, automate marketing tasks, use predictive analytics, and improve SEO. 2.